I'm Michigan criminal defense lawyer and expungement attorney Aaron J. Boria, and today I'm going to teach you 5 things that you need to know about expunging a criminal conviction in the state of Michigan. That's right, 5 things you need to know about setting aside a criminal offense in Michigan. Michigan law has changed for the better, and now more people have the ability to erase their criminal conviction in the state of Michigan. So how many and what types of offenses can be expunged? You can set aside or expunge a felony conviction as long as you have 2 or less misdemeanors on your record. You can also expunge up to 2 misdemeanors as long as they are the only things on your record. If you go the misdemeanor route and you try to expunge 2, you cannot have any felonies. Again, you can expunge up to 1 felony conviction with 2 or less misdemeanors on your record, nothing else at all, or up to 2 misdemeanors on your record, nothing else at all. There are rules with expungements. First off, 5 years has to pass from the time you completed your sentence. So that means 5 years from the time that you either completed probation, if you had no probation, 5 years from the time that you completed a jail or prison term, or simply paid your fines and costs. 5 years has to pass from the time you completed your sentence in order to expunge your conviction. Sealed cases now count against you. If you've had a case taken under HIDA, 7411, the spousal abuse statute, or some other statute where your case ultimately gets sealed, that will count against you as a misdemeanor conviction, and you'll have to take that into account when deciding if you have too many convictions on your record for an expungement. Not every criminal conviction in the state of Michigan can be expunged. Some offenses are precluded by statute. You cannot expunge any traffic offense. That means that any DUI, driving on suspended license, anything that involves traffic, that cannot be expunged. There are no exceptions. Life offenses, murder, armed robbery, criminal sexual conduct in the 1st degree cannot be expunged. Criminal sexual conduct cases have their own exception as well. In general, they cannot be expunged except for a small set of cases, CSC4 cases, that occurred after January of 2015. Child abuse in the 2nd degree cannot be expunged. Felony domestic violence cases cannot be expunged if that person had prior domestic violence convictions. So what does getting an expungement do for you? Well, it does a lot. If you're a felon, you're no longer a felon. If you have a misdemeanor conviction or a felony conviction and you get an expungement and you apply for a job, you no longer have to check that box that asks, have you ever been convicted of a crime? You are legally allowed to state that you have not. If you've been convicted of a crime in the state of Michigan and you want to get that conviction set aside, call me today. I'm criminal defense attorney and Michigan expungement lawyer Aaron J. Boria. I can be reached at 734-453-7806 or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. As of the date of this video, I have expunged cases in the county of Wayne, Oakland, Livingston, Ingham, just to name a few. And as of the date of this video, I have won every single expungement hearing. If you want to set aside that criminal conviction, call me today. Aaron J. Boria, 734-453-7806, or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. No one will fight for you like I will.